Recording.
Okay, so I got the little charging icon going on my Garmin now. It's all wired up. Took me about 45 minutes to an hour. Wasn't bad timing. Pretty okay. I was sweating it, but hey, you know how that goes. It was nice and simple and easy. Take a nice little ride back home. The only thing I definitely have to do is I've got to pair my Senna with my telephone. And I got to try to look that up because I don't remember how to pair it. Once I get that done, I'll be pretty much back up in shape. Guess that thing says I'm speeding. I don't know how accurate it is. with the speedometer on the bike. That's about 4 mile difference. Huh. I still say this bike's gonna get me in trouble one of these days. This thing likes to boogie. Fun little ride. One thing about being down here at the lake, I never have to worry about having a flat spot in my tires. I always wear the outer edges before I ever wear the center out. So I have to agree with Larry Yeager's video on removing a tank off the Pan-American. The hardest part is the wire that's underneath the tank by the fuel pump. But once you get that tank loose and you can put that tubophore up underneath the back of it, you can clearly see that red safety clip you pull on, and then you can push and release that connector. It really is simple. But I don't suggest putting your fuel line back on down at the bottom until you have that wire hooked up. Maybe one afternoon or something I'll go to change my air filter. I'll make a video on doing that. While I did have the tank off, I did go ahead and pull the air box lid off and checked my air filter while I had it opened up. And I will assure you that it was clean, but I was questioning the previous person's installation on that because I didn't see like a red or a blue oil that you would normally put on those K&N filters. So it leads me to believe they washed it, cleaned it, let it dry, and then just stuffed it back in there without oiling it. So I'm going to give it a couple thousand, 3,000 or 4,000 maybe, and I'll purchase another one from Harley, and I'll get it oiled up, put it in, and take this one, clean it, and oil it myself. And those K&N filters I think they're designed to have a spray-on type oil on them to kind of attract that dirt to the oil. I could be wrong. If I am, please comment in the box. Alright guys, this is the end of my video, so I'm back home now. And again, as always, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you like it, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And you guys have a great day. Thanks again for watching.